say you had an area chart like this and you want to show the grand total right here. Well, you can't really do that in an area chart necessarily, because as soon as you add the values in, it's really looking at that value for that particular cut. So if I bring in category into rows, that's really the number it's showing. It's not showing the stacked total. So how do we do that? Well, the secret is this. If I take sum of profit, right? Let me get my square tool. Sum of profit, or whatever measure you're using for your particular area chart, you're going to duplicate it. So I'm going to hold Control, I'm going to click it, I'm going to move it over. And when I do that, all I'm doing is just duplicating that measure so that we have two of the same measure. In the second one, okay, this one right here, the formatting is represented by this marks card. What we want to do is get rid of category. Okay, so let's get rid of that. And what you'll see is you now have the total. We want to switch it from area to line. Okay, and we're going to change the color to, I'm just going to make a solid black so you guys can see, like so. And then we're going to do a dual axis. So if I right click the second measure and go dual axis, it's going to stack them. And I'm going to go on this axis because it's really the same data, so to speak. We're going to synchronize the axes so that they're matched on both ends. We don't want the labels that we had before. We just want that one. So that's how you would actually add the totals, even if you have a area chart. And this technique also works when you're doing bars as well. Okay, so if you do it by bars and you set this to bar and you switch them, okay, that is the total. It's the same thing. It's a similar trick, right? So if this is the kind of stuff you guys want to know, you want to learn how to build all the fundamental visualizations, every single one in the Show Me, I teach all of this on my website at Jellyman Education. The whole idea is to take you guys from not knowing anything about data all the way through to being masters of Tableau and SQL, then showing you guys how to actually secure a job in the IT industry as a data analyst, right? So if you're interested in that, be sure to check out the website. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.